Welcome back to the Black Rabbit Society. Sorry for the delay, had some technical difficulties to resolve. This is part 3 of our series on cult mentality. In part 1, we explored how people are drawn into cults through belonging, identity, and purpose. In part 2, we discussed how questioning becomes dangerous once loyalty replaces truth. But today we're talking about the cults most people never recognize. Because modern cult mentality doesn't always look extreme. It doesn't always have a compound. It doesn't always have a leader demanding obedience. Sometimes it looks completely normal, and that's what makes it dangerous. Most people think cults happen to other people, the weak, the gullible, the desperate, but that's a comforting myth. The painful truth is that cult mentality can emerge anywhere people become emotionally attached to an identity. Politics, social media, celebrity culture, online communities. The warning signs are often the same. Questioning becomes discouraged, critics become enemies, and people begin judging ideas based on who said them rather than whether they're true. Think about that. How often do people reject an idea simply because it came from the wrong person? How often do people defend behavior they would condemn if the other side did the exact same thing? That's not critical thinking. That's tribal thinking. And tribal thinking is what keeps cult mentality alive. The most powerful cults don't control what people think. They control what people are allowed to question. Because once questioning becomes dangerous, independent thought begins to disappear. People start censoring themselves, not because they're convinced, because they're afraid of criticism, afraid of rejection, afraid of standing alone. And when enough people stay silent, the illusion of agreement is created. Everyone appears to think the same way, even when they don't. The frightening part is that people trapped in cult mentality rarely recognize it. From the inside, the group feels righteous. The mission feels noble. And anyone who questions it appears dangerous. That's why cult mentality isn't about intelligence. It's about identity. When people attach their identity to a belief, disagreement stops feeling like a discussion. It feels like an attack. And once that happens, loyalty becomes more important than truth. So ask yourself, would I hold my own side to the same standards as the other side? If the answer is no, why not? Because the line between conviction and cult mentality is thinner than most people realize. This is the Black Rabbit Society. We don't tell you what to think. We question what we're told and follow the facts wherever they lead, because people would rather believe a beautiful lie over a painful truth, like subscribe and follow to escape the rabbit hole.